Hello, I'm going to do this, let's see, 2.1.73. If you want to stop the video and read the question, that'd be good. But, so all right, I'll just get going here. So we have this situation and we want to describe this function f. Now the key is to, break up the domain of the function so that we can write it down. So here we have, for the first, 40 or $140,000, the function is, we just multiply by 0.4. Then to find the next sort of part of the function here, when you're between 140,000 and 280,000, we need to calculate this this quantity here, this 56,000. And now the way that you get that is you take 40%, okay, of the first, let's see, 140, and that should work out to 56,000, and it does, and that's for that 56,000. So your not taxes, but the amount that the attorney can get is bounded by 56,000 plus 33% or 33.3% of the amount that's above 140,000. And that's for this x minus. So if you have like 200,000, you take 200,000 minus your 140,000, and that's what you get. So here's the second part of the function right here, and the domain in which that occurs. Moving along, you do the same sort of thing, and to get this tax, or not tax, it's the attorney fees. What you would do is you take your first 150 or your 56,000, and then what you need to do is calculate, let's see, 33.33% of the next, I guess, 140,000. That's what I'm doing here on the calculator, and that gives us this 46,620, and then I have to add to that the amount that you would have paid, or the attorney would have received for the first 140,000, and that's where this 56,000 comes from, and that's where the 102,620 comes from. And similarly, what we do is we multiply the next bit of income by 30%, right, or 0.30, and that's good all the way out to $440,000. Now, then you do the same thing for the last part, but when you're above 440,000, you have to pay 24%, and that's what this expression is for here. And now I'm just going to, I'll let you evaluate the function at the different points to see what the values are. But I'll sketch the graph here to show you how that goes. So here we have it. The important, there we go. So the important numbers are here, right? You see we pay 0, or the attorney gets 0 at 0. And then up here, if you go to this point where it changes at $140,000, the attorney would receive a maximum of $56,000. And then you get another dot here and another dot here, okay? And that corresponds to the level at 280,000 and the level at 440,000. So the graph of this, it looks like this. I'll just connect the dots because it's a line in between. So here's basically the graph of this function. And the thing to notice is that it is in fact a straight line. Oops, this is pretty bad. And I'm sort of improvising here. And the thing to realize is that the important thing is that the slope here of the line decreases to correspond to the fact that the amount that the attorney receives per dollar is decreasing. The first one is 0.4. So this part of the function has a slope m is 0.4. In this part of the graph, we have m is the slope of that line is actually 0.33. 3 there, and here this slope, I suppose I should put m1, m2, m3 so that we're not totally misled here. The third part has a slope of 0.3. And the last part here, m sub 4, has a 24%. And it goes on like that forever. So that completes the problem. I hope this helps you out. Thank you.